Hello guys, Mehul here, back again with another new video. So today's video gonna be for designers, and predominantly for designers who use Figma. And if you don't use Figma, what the heck are you guys doing? Switch to Figma. Figma is must-have of designers. Please switch to Figma. Now let me dive into the video directly. So how many times it had happened with us designers that we have built something, we have designed something, and we need to showcase it with a mock-up like this, just like this, right? But in order to represent this design into a mock-up, again we have to go through internet, search for a mock-up, download it, bring it in Photoshop or any other program that it supports, then then export the design from Figma as JPG or PNG, and bring that photo to Photoshop or something like that in order to get into that mock-up. So it's a big task, to be honest. It's not that much good at all. Like, we have to do a lots of things in order to generate just a little mock-up. So there is a plugin in Figma that can generate like mockups, that can generate device mockups, like, and those device mockups are really cool. You can see it here. So let me show you the plugin. So here is our plugin that is called Clay Mockup 3D. Fairly easy to use plugin, and here are some of the devices like iPhone 11, Pixel 4, MacBook Pro, browser, and something like Quill, I don't know how to pronounce it. Whatever, it is a mobile device also. And you can choose any angle if you want. This plugin is quite powerful, so it will take time to generate your images. Keep that in mind first. So you can choose any angle from here. Also you can choose the presetted angles also, and you can choose the device color according to your choice. There is limitation to choose the device color, but it's quite okay, and there are lots of variation too. So I'm going to choose the slate color, obviously. And those are just presetted colors. So you can like give your own color. If I want to, like, if I wanna say FFFFF, I can choose that too. But yes, let's choose slate color. And if you are having second thoughts or doubts about the size that your design is, if it's gonna fit in or not, so you can, what you can do is you can generate or create an empty frame, and you can totally transfer your design to that empty frame, then upload it in here. Now, how to upload the design in this plugin in order to generate your mockup? I just have to do what that, just to click it while this plugin is running. Like, this plugin is running, I have just have to click that. That's it. It will generate my mockup automatically. It will take some time, as I have told you earlier. This plugin is quite heavy. It's generated already. Okay, now save it as an image, and it will produce your mockups image. That's it. Fairly simple and fairly easy to use. So that's it for this video. If you like my contents, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you have ideas or thoughts about some cool ideas, even if you know about some cool apps, please let me know in the comments. So bye for now.